Have you ever felt your legs suddenly getting weaker, as if they just couldn't keep up with you anymore? Imagine walking across the living room and realizing those once strong steps don't feel the same. For men over 60, this isn't just about age. It's often the very first signal that your circulation and strength are quietly slipping away. And here's the thing. If you don't take action, this weakness can slowly rob you of the energy and confidence you need, not just for staying active, but even for intimacy and the simple joys of life. Today, we're going to talk about a few powerful yet simple things you can do before this weakness grows into something that truly limits your performance. I'm not going to spoil the details right now, but what you'll discover in this video are natural, science-backed ways to keep your legs strong, your blood flowing, and your body feeling alive again. So before we dive in, let me ask you, if you're someone who wants to stay strong and independent well past 60, drop a quick 1 in the comments. And if you feel like your legs are already slowing you down, just type 0, so I know you're here with me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Health 365 so you never miss the tips that can keep you feeling young at heart. All right, let's get started. The first step is something simple, but surprisingly powerful. One of the most powerful and natural ways to fight leg weakness after 60 is surprisingly simple. Brisk walking every day. This isn't just about moving your body. It's about what happens inside your blood vessels and how it affects your confidence as a man. When you walk at an energetic pace, your leg muscles contract and relax like pumps, pushing blood back to your heart. This improves circulation throughout your body, including the areas that matter most for intimacy. Doctors call this your body's natural pump, one of the easiest ways to keep both legs and performance strong. Research from the Journal of the American Heart Association shows that men over 60 who walk briskly for at least 30 minutes daily boost blood flow and cut their risk of peripheral artery disease. But here's what few mention. Stronger circulation also means more reliable blood flow where men need it most. A Harvard study found that men who walk briskly for just half an hour a day lower their risk of erectile difficulties by up to 41%. In short, walking not only strengthens legs, but also helps preserve the physical ability to enjoy closeness with a partner. Think about it. The difference between sitting most of the day and adding a half hour of walking could mean climbing stairs with ease and regaining the vitality that fuels confidence in the bedroom. It's like giving yourself a natural prescription, protecting your heart, powering muscles, and restoring the spark many men worry about losing. The best part? You don't need a gym or expensive equipment. Just lace up comfortable shoes, step outside, and walk at a pace that makes you breathe a little heavier but still able to talk. That's the sweet spot where circulation improves, legs grow stronger, and the benefits extend into daily life and private moments. And if you've avoided walking out of fear of soreness or fatigue, here's good news. Within weeks, your body adapts. The heaviness in your legs fades, endurance increases, and energy returns. Not just for errands or playing with grandkids, but also in intimate moments with your spouse. Walking keeps your body active, your blood flowing, and your confidence alive. Once that foundation is set, the next step is adding circulation-boosting foods to your diet. Walking gets your blood moving, but what you eat can either help that circulation thrive or hold it back. One of the best-kept secrets for men over 60 is nitrate-rich foods, like beets, spinach, and kale. When you eat them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide. This little molecule is a game changer because it relaxes and widens your blood vessels, letting blood flow more easily to your muscles, your heart, and yes, even to the areas that affect intimacy. This isn't just theory. A study in Circulation showed that beetroot juice quickly raised nitric oxide levels and improved blood vessel flexibility in older adults. Another study found that men who regularly consumed nitrate-rich vegetables had stronger circulation, more energy, and even lower risk of erectile difficulties. That's because good blood flow isn't just about strong legs. It's the foundation for staying active and confident in every part of life. Imagine starting your morning with a glass of beet juice or tossing fresh spinach into your lunch. Over time, you may notice your legs feel lighter on your daily walks. Climbing stairs doesn't leave you winded, and in the evening, you feel a stronger spark with your partner. That's not a coincidence. Better circulation improves stamina, recovery, and performance, both during the day and behind closed doors. The best part is, nitrate-rich foods are simple to add to your diet. Roast some beets with olive oil, blend kale into a smoothie with banana, or cook spinach with garlic as a side dish. You don't need to change your whole menu. Just a few smart swaps each day can make a noticeable difference. And unlike supplements, these foods bring extra benefits: fiber to support digestion, antioxidants to protect your arteries, and vitamins to strengthen your immune system. That means you're not just improving blood flow now, you're investing in your long-term health. So next time you're at the store, look at those red beets and leafy greens as more than just vegetables. They're natural tools to keep your blood vessels open, your legs strong, and your performance alive. And from here, there's another group of foods that can take this even further. Fruits packed with flavonoids that protect your circulation in ways nitrates can't. If nitrates open up your blood vessels, flavonoids are like the shield that keeps them healthy and strong. These natural compounds are found in fruits like blueberries, pomegranates, and citrus, and they play a key role in protecting the lining of your arteries. As we age, those blood vessels can become stiff and inflamed, which slows circulation and makes your legs feel heavy. Flavonoids act like tiny bodyguards, reducing that inflammation and keeping your arteries flexible so blood flows smoothly where it needs to go. Science backs this up. A large study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who consumed more flavonoid-rich fruits had significantly better blood vessel function and circulation than those who didn't. Another trial showed that daily pomegranate juice improved endurance in older men and even enhanced sexual performance by boosting blood flow to key areas. That means when you enjoy these fruits, you're not just treating yourself to a sweet snack. You're actively feeding your circulation and protecting your performance. Picture this. You grab a handful of blueberries in the morning, enjoy an orange with lunch, or sip a glass of pomegranate juice in the evening. Over time, you notice your legs feel lighter. You recover faster from walks, and you even feel more energy in the bedroom. That's because flavonoids don't just help your blood vessels. They also fight oxidative stress, which is a hidden culprit behind fatigue and age-related decline. What makes flavonoid-rich fruits even more powerful is how easy they are to fit into your daily life. You can add blueberries to yogurt, mix orange slices into a salad, or pour pomegranate juice over ice for a refreshing drink. These small, simple choices build up into real improvements you can feel in your energy, your stamina, and your confidence. And unlike processed snacks or sugary desserts, these fruits give you natural sweetness with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support your overall health. That means you're satisfying your taste buds while fueling your body in the best way possible. Now, let's add another essential piece: high-quality protein, the fuel that keeps your muscles strong and ready for action. Keeping your blood flowing is crucial, but your muscles also need the right fuel to stay strong. That's where high-quality protein comes in. For men over 60, protein isn't just about building muscle. It's about preserving strength, repairing tissues, and giving you the stamina to stay active. Without enough protein, your muscles shrink, your recovery slows down, And even simple activities like walking or climbing stairs can feel harder. But with the right kinds of protein, your body has the tools it needs to stay powerful. Research from Tufts University showed that older adults who consistently ate enough protein had stronger leg strength and greater mobility than those who didn't. And here's something many men don't realize. Protein also plays a big role in sexual health. Testosterone levels are supported by protein-rich diets, and lean protein sources like salmon, eggs, and Greek yogurt help your body produce the hormones that keep energy, libido, and performance steady. Strong muscles and balanced hormones together create the foundation for not only physical endurance, but also confidence in intimacy. Think about a piece of grilled salmon for dinner. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and improve blood vessel function, while the protein helps your muscles recover from your daily walk. Or picture starting your day with a couple of eggs and a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fruit. Simple meals that pack in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. These choices don't just make you feel full, they rebuild your body from the inside out. Another advantage of high-quality protein is its impact on recovery. Let's say you take that brisk walk in the morning. If you follow it up with a protein-rich snack, your muscles repair more quickly, meaning you'll feel stronger the next day instead of sore or drained. Over time, this steady cycle of activity plus recovery helps your legs grow more resilient and your energy levels stay higher. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Lean meats, fish, dairy, beans, and even plant-based proteins like lentils or quinoa can all support your body. The key is consistency, making sure that every meal gives you a source of quality protein so your muscles never run on empty. So the next time you plan your plate, think of protein as more than just food. It's fuel for strength, support for your hormones, and a quiet but powerful boost for your performance, both physically and intimately. And while food builds you up, there's another step that's just as critical: cutting out the habits that tear your circulation down, like smoking and heavy drinking. You can eat the right foods and stay active every day, but if you're still smoking or drinking heavily, it's like taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. For men over 60, tobacco and alcohol aren't just bad habits. They're direct threats to your circulation, your strength, and even your performance in the bedroom. Smoking, for example, damages the inner lining of your arteries, causing them to narrow and harden. That reduces blood flow to your legs, making them feel weak, and it also blocks circulation to the very areas that depend on steady blood supply for intimacy. Studies from the British Medical Journal show that men who quit smoking regained significant blood vessel function within weeks, improving both stamina and erectile performance. That's because the body begins repairing itself as soon as smoking stops. Blood pressure lowers, oxygen levels rise, and circulation starts to improve. Many men are surprised at how quickly their energy returns once they finally put out the last cigarette. Alcohol, on the other hand, is a double-edged sword. While occasional light drinking, like a glass of red wine, may have some benefits, heavy drinking weakens the heart muscle, raises blood pressure, and interferes with testosterone production. Over time, this doesn't just affect your liver. It drains your strength, leaves your legs feeling heavy, and lowers your desire and ability to perform intimately. The Journal of Sexual Medicine reported that men who cut back on alcohol often saw better energy, improved sleep, and stronger sexual health within just a few months. The good news is, you don't need to be perfect to make progress. If quitting smoking feels overwhelming, even cutting down step by step reduces risk and gives your circulation a chance to heal. If you enjoy alcohol, try limiting it to special occasions or switching to non-alcoholic alternatives during the week. Your body will notice the difference, and so will your partner when your energy and vitality begin to return. Think of it this way. Every cigarette skipped and every drink passed up is a step toward clearer arteries, stronger legs, and better performance in every sense of the word. Pair that with your walks and healthy meals, and you're stacking the deck in your favor. And once you've cleaned out these harmful habits, there's one last piece to lock it all in: keeping your underlying health conditions under control. The final piece of the puzzle is one many men try to ignore, but it's critical: controlling underlying health conditions. High blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol don't just show up on a doctor's chart. They silently damage your blood vessels every day. Left unchecked, they narrow arteries, weaken circulation to your legs, and make staying active harder. Even more, they directly affect sexual performance, since steady blood flow is the foundation of intimacy. Take high blood pressure. When untreated, it stiffens and thickens arteries, forcing your heart to work harder while reducing blood supply to muscles. Diabetes is another major culprit. Excess sugar damages the tiny vessels and nerves in your legs and in the areas tied to sexual function. High cholesterol builds plaque that clogs arteries like rust in a pipe. Alone, each is harmful. Together, they leave you with weak legs, fatigue, and fading confidence in the bedroom. The good news? Managing them changes everything. Research in the Journal of Vascular Medicine shows that men who control blood pressure and blood sugar preserve leg strength and cut erectile difficulties by up to 50%. Keeping up with doctor visits, taking prescribed medications, and living heart healthy isn't just about longevity. It's about vitality, freedom, and enjoying life fully. Think about the habits we've already covered: walking, eating nitrate-rich vegetables, enjoying flavonoid-packed fruits, and choosing quality proteins. These don't just improve daily energy. They keep blood pressure steady, regulate sugar, and lower cholesterol. Add in limiting salt, cutting processed foods, and maintaining a healthy weight, and you give your body the chance to repair and thrive. Here's what many don't realize. When you manage these conditions well, you don't just protect legs and heart, you also restore intimacy. Better circulation, balanced hormones, and stronger stamina come together when your health is under control. Your partner will notice the difference, and so will you, in how you move, feel, and connect. So don't see health checkups as bad news or medication as a burden. See them as tools, like walking shoes or a healthy meal, that keep your body working for you, not against you. By keeping these conditions in check, you give yourself the best chance to stay strong, active, and fully alive. And with all 6 steps in place, you're ready to bring everything together and take action. So, here's the truth. Weak legs don't have to be the signal that life is slowing down. With simple daily walks, smart food choices, more protein, and letting go of habits that drag you down, you can keep your blood flowing, your muscles strong, and your confidence alive. And when you take care of underlying conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, you're not just protecting your health, you're opening the door to more freedom, more energy, and yes, a stronger connection with the people you love. Life after 60 isn't about giving things up. It's about choosing the habits that let you keep moving, keep smiling, and keep feeling alive in every way. The changes may seem small, but step by step, they add up to something powerful, a body that supports you instead of holding you back. So I encourage you, start today. Take that walk, enjoy those colorful foods, fuel your muscles, and trust that every choice is moving you towards strength, vitality, and joy. And if this message speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know you're ready for change, or a 0 if you feel like you've got work to do.